Okay, guys, this is how you're getting to your lesson for tomorrow. I just signed in. This is my homepage, Serena Williams. I'm a student. You go to Start Workout, okay? You go Intro to Fitness RAFO. Click on that. We are doing lesson 2 tomorrow, okay? Will actually be today when you're reading this, but lesson 2 is the next lesson. Here it is. You're going to hit Start Workout, okay?
What, Mom?
It's going to take you through each video. You can just scroll down if you want through each video. Hit actually Start Workout. Go through, follow along, do everything that they're saying. Watching each video, okay? There will be a quiz on this later in the week, okay? Not today. Just all you have to do is the workout. All right, and then there's the finisher right there. All right, after you do that, then hit log test result. If you hit done before you hit log test result, you will not be able to input your information. And then you watch the wrap, and that's it. Done, boom. Do not hit done on here before you hit log test result, or you will not be able to get me your time. If you are on the app, you just do the same thing. You go to workouts at the bottom of the page, and then click on Intro to Fitness RAFO, and click on lesson 2. All right, email me if you need help. Hopefully we are starting to get this. You have till 2:45. Thank you.